Look at that. You see that? Look at that.
Saving green.
See that, Busy Bee?
Yeah.
He sprayed it, it bubbled. I told him we couldn't even make it home. So ninjas, they're getting ready to close, but Juan over here, he's a ninja. You know what I mean? He's quick like that.
Yep.
Hey, you want to spit on it a little bit? What do you think? Can you see? The rotors look okay, I guess.
Pretty good.
They look good? Oh, bro, what are you talking about? Dude?
They're not lit in, man.
No. Anyway, ninjas, I am so glad that these guys are taking care of me, even though it is the last minute. It's literally as they're closing. Could you imagine, Busy Bee, if that screw fell out while we were in the middle of the highway driving down? What do you think it would happen? You think it'd have a blowout?
No telling.
Yeah, no telling what would happen. But it started making a weird noise, so I'm thinking if that screw actually fell out, it would really scream. Do you recall what the noise was?
Nah.
Juan's a doctor, man. He turns the light on, he investigates. Where was that hole? Oh, look at that. See it in there? Shiner. Juan, that just looks wrong.
Wrong thing, wrong thing.
I'm just saying that looks wrong, buddy.
Say clean. Green, blue.
What's blue on there?
Here, little. Good. No more nail, it's forever. No more nail.
No mas. Hey, takes a little rubber off. Always take the rubber off, right?
Yes. Cover, it takes cover. Check it, I made one more, that's okay.
No, it's fine.
Good.
Juan's all about that feely.
Yep.
Is that so it goes on easier? Look at that! Did you see that? You could learn something here, Busy Bee. Juan, that screw was really deep in there, wasn't it? It was releasing all kinds of air. You saw when you sprayed. I wouldn't have made it home, Juan. Easy.
Yes.
Man.
That's good.
Freaking Hulk. Tire pressure is oh, here it is. Look at that. Just so you know, tire pressure is 70. I love the pop. Look at that, 5:55 and he's finished.
Yeah.
Juan is the man.
50 minutes.
You did this whole tire in like 10 minutes.
Good job. Oh yeah.
Very nice. On the highway, the tires were making a really weird noise with the nail in it. Juan, is that normal?
Yes.
It is? The noise that it was making was like this.
Hey, money.
So this is the first time, ninjas, that Busy Bee is going to do this one as far as mowing because of this hill. I'm curious. Make sure you don't scar it up, okay? Especially when you're turning, going up and down here, you know, just take it easy, man. All right? Okay. Hey, I'm just telling you, no need for the attitude.
We them ninjas, yeah, chop it up like a blender. We them ninjas, yeah, chop it up like a blender. Quick, fast, cut your grass, yeah, chop it up like a blender. Quick, fast, cut your grass, yeah, chop it up like a blender. We them ninjas, yeah, chop it up like a blender. We them ninjas, yeah, chop it up like a blender. Quick, fast, cut your grass, yeah, chop it up like a blender. Quick, fast, cut your grass, yeah, chop it up like a blender. Saving green, be the team, we gon' pull up on the scene. Cut your grass by any means. It started out as just a dream, like Biggie. Now we the best in the city, like Biggie. Now we the best in the city. Pull up, saving green. Yeah.
Well, I must say, not bad, Busy Bee. Not bad at all. Not bad. Turned out pretty good. How many times did you have to run it? 2 times to spread out some more of that access grass. Yeah, not bad. Cleaned up pretty nice. I'm impressed, Busy Bee. No need for that attitude, man. We just finished. We were able to get to that last one, ninjas, and need to go ahead and stop and get some fuel here at the Speederway. Wait, who's that? Did you just go, Who's that? Do we know that? No, we don't know him. He's got a scabber. Yeah. That was my stay away from me, give me 6 feet.
That's 6 feet right here, man.
Where?
Keep that away. There's two for you.
What's up, Jazzy?
How's it going?
What's going on, man?
Yeah.
Hey, let me show you real quickly the sound that it made.
How'd it go?
No, for real. So he patched it right here. Well, no, hold on. Anyway, when we were hitting the highway and the screw started to become loose and it was starting to come out, the noise, like, it started to make it, and it was like, what's going on, Jazzy? How was your day, buddy?
It was good.
Good. What you got for me there?
I got you a brown bag special.
A brown bag special.
Yeah.
Let's see what's in it.
Yeah.
Let's see what's in it. Show me.
What's in it?
Show off your stuff.
Whoa.
Come on, show off.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, dude. Dude, oh my gosh. Ninjas, look at that. Are these up for sale?
No.
Not yet?
No, not yet.
Oh man, I love the green and gray.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Busy Bee, what you think about this? No, it's not for you. Don't worry about it. What else?
Now check out the mesh on the back. It's really light,
Oh.
extremely breathable.
Mmm.
Good for those hot summer days.
I don't know if I want to get this hat dirty, man.
I got 2 for me. One to get dirty and one to get
This
clean.
this one might be just when I'm not working and out and about. I don't know.
That's fine.
Or just wear it in the truck and I don't know.
I'll have some more soon, and
Thank
yeah,
you.
You
Wow.
can get one dirty if you want.
What else is in the brown bag special? Hold that, baby. What? Is that polyester, man?
Yes, 100%.
Whoa!
100%. It looks like mine.
Oh, okay.
Except for that one's like extremely clean. It hasn't been worn.
Dude, thank you. Oh man, I love the color.
Back in the bag.
Yeah, put them back in the bag.
no way.
I love the color choice, man. It's like a, not really like silver, but like a light silver gray
Yeah.
type.
Yeah.
Oh man, bro, thank you.
It's no gift card.
No, it's fine. It's fine. You know, a gift card for Christmas. I get it. Dude, Busy Bee, doesn't this make you go, oh yeah? All right, brother. Good to see you, man.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You ready?
Soft chop.
Papa Cha. Hey, you know what this is?
It's a brown bag full of waffle chop.
No, hey, Busy Bee, go get me a pen, please. I know what this is. So, Jazzy, this is what I call right here. You want to hold the camera for me
Sure,
real
man.
quick? Thank you, thank you. No, it's not boobies.
It's low. It's Loy. It's Loya. It's loyal. Oh, I see. That's loyalty right there.
loyalty.
Saving green. Saving